What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm here with my boy Herman, about to do a challenge. So the challenge is going to consist of who can eat the most nuggets in 10 minutes.
Ah, caray. Eso sí me interesa, ¿eh?
So we're on our way to buy the nuggets. Stay tuned.
We just got here and I ordered the nuggets.
Can I get 100?
How many?
100.
Okay.
100.
Any sauce?
Any sauce?
Ranch.
Can I get ranch?
Okay. Barbecue.
Alright. Who you guys
okay.
think's gonna win the
Barbecue.
challenge? Hammer me.
Okay.
Okay. Okay guys, so we just bought the nuggets. Little bags. Alright, let's head home and do this. Okay guys, so before we head home, we're gonna go get something to drink. No se nos vaya a atorar el pollo, valió madre.
No pasa nada, oiga.
Okay, so we're gonna grab some waters. Oye, de agua fina ahí. Pura agua fina para the gym. Alright, let's go. ¿Con esa se hace o compramos otra?
¿Una soda?
Okay guys, so we got everything we needed. Water and this tray. Esta es la troquita para que no falte en el video. I don't know. Okay, so we're about to start this challenge. Okay, let's see who wins this challenge. The loser of this challenge gets a punishment. He has the option of eating one of these 3 peppers. Okay, so let's start the timer. The timer's gonna be 10 minutes. And let's start. Yeah, let's start. Okay, start. Tengo que sacar la boca, güey. Y creo que ya perdí.
Is she on the first one?
No sé cómo es. You open 3.
Once again. I've got a story
minutes.
Can I get up and jump? Yeah.
And jump. Ay, te está atorando ya.
¡Ya, güey! ¡Ya, güey!
Once again.
Dijera German, déjame paro.
¿Qué? ¿Estás retándome?
Focus, focus. Take your shit. 1 minute. No pressure, 1 minute. Fuck, I think I lost me.
I'm even dizzy.
Yeah? Ahorita mismo me estaba pegando de dizziness. I was like, fuck. Ya no te dejas desmayar. Shit. Como que empieza a doler el pecho, mo.
Como está seco.
Okay, guys, so the time's up. We're gonna count, see who won. First, we're gonna count how many are left. ¿Sí, no? Cuéntanos, venga.
1, 2.
Once again.
49.
49, damn, almost half, almost 50. Damn, no aguantamos nada, creo. Okay, guys, so we just finished counting how many we ate. I ate 19. Herman used his phone.
I ate 38.
He ate 38. Damn.
You lost.
I lost, so now it's my turn to get punished. So I'm gonna choose from these peppers which one I'm gonna eat.
Spiciest one?
So hell no, the spices one. I'm just gonna. Damn.
All of it?
No, not all of it. From the one to the last fuck, they all died. Okay, so
No water though?
I need water, fool. So no one would eat. I'm just gonna get the small ones. Okay, so we have these small ones. There's like
Show 'em.
there's 5 of them. Yeah, there's 5 of them. I'll try to zoom it in, show you guys. I'm gonna eat 5 of these small ones. Fuck. All right. No mames, güey. No voy a aguantar. Okay. Ah, that's just spicy, wait.
I want to try one, but
Fuck, try one, wait, just try one. Just try one. Oh, mames, wait.
holy.
Ah, la verga, wait.
It is spicy.
Ah, no mames, wait.
Wait, I won. Why did I even get one?
You wanted to try it, but fuck, it's spicy.
Oh, it is.
Okay, guys, so after those peppers, I gotta cool it off with the yogurt. Oof, hella hot. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We'll end the video here. I hope you like it. Like, comment, subscribe. You anything to say, Herman?
Well, I'm ready for the next challenge. So let's bring it on.
Alright guys, see you on the next video.